Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves, the Makanai series, where I make the dishes from the Japanese language Netflix series called the Makanai Cooking for the Maiko House. This lesson is Donabe 7, Oyako-Don, from Season 1, Episode 2. This dish is classic Japanese comfort food, great for a chilly night. The preparation is simple: onions, chicken, eggs, and a dashi-based broth, but the flavor is deep and very satisfying. If you serve this dish with rice, which I make optional and don't use in this lesson, Oyako-Don is a hearty meal. Here I prepare it izakaya style, as a small plate. So let's start cooking.
Now we're going to make the dashi-based broth for the Oyako-Don. And I'm using Japanese black sugar. If you can't get that, just use brown sugar. I got it from, I think it was the Japanese Pantry, or it might have been the Umami Insider, two different web stores. And then we're going to use, so there was 1 tablespoon of that to 1 cup of dashi, or dashi. I've been, some users have commented that my Japanese accent is terrible, and they're right. It's dashi's the better pronunciation. I can say dashi. So 2 tablespoons of shoyu, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of sake. By the way, today I'm using my own sake that I brewed myself, which I call Snow Dog. But any dry sake would do. Okay, then we're gonna mix that up. And keep it ready for adding to the donabe. All right, now we're going to mix the eggs, and you might notice how orange these yolks are. They are great. We just happened to get them. In Japan, the yolks usually look like this, but this is going to be a great color for this dish. Now we want to mix the eggs up, but we don't want to beat them. We don't want them to be mixed too well. So we're actually going to use chopsticks, and we're just going to cut them like this. So we have them somewhat mixed, and that's it, okay? That's exactly how we want them, just partially mixed.